Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make guinea corn fufu. So guys can see this is guinea corn powder one. So how to prepare it? You go to the market and buy guinea corn, the quantity you want. Then you bring it at home. Make sure you wash it. After wash it very well because of the sand and the dust, then you spread it outside. You find a mat and spread it outside. Allow it to dry. If it didn't dry that very day, the following day bring it out to make sure the guinea corn dry very well. Then you take it to the engine, big engine, because blender cannot blend it well the way you want it. Then you take it to the engine, big engine. They will blend it for you. After grind it, the thing will be like this, be like powder. Can see? So you can use it and turn swallow. You can use it and use it like pap. So but this one now I want to turn it like swallow. I want turn it. I want make fufu. After doing it, you can cook any soup of your choice and eat it. So the water is on the fire boiling. I just want to make small quantity, the only one that I'll eat, the one that I'll eat alone. So because if you make it too much, it is swelling up. So make a small quantity you eat. If you be one person, or if you want to make it like 2 or 3 people, you can take the quantity you like. But this I just take the small quantity that I want to turn it and eat. So the water is on the fire boiling already. So let's go and make it. So guys can see the water on the fire. Small water because I just want to make it for just one person. I'll see reduce the water. So I see the guinea corn. This is the powdered one. You pour it. Then you carry your turn stick and turn it. Make sure you turn it. So guys can see, then you add little water and leave it like 2 minutes. You add little water, allow it to done very well, and leave it like 2 minutes. Then you turn it. Simple. It's just a simple menu. If you do it like this, can cook any soup of your choice. Can use ogbono, vegetable, egusi, any soup of your choice and eat it. And if you don't want to use it like swallow, can make it, use it like pap, drink it like pap, then drink it. So you have 2 ways, either you use it like pap or use it like fufu. So it's a simple menu. I just want to show you guys a short video. Wow, so you guys can see this is guinea corn fufu. Can make any soup and it. I'm going to eat it with okra soup. So when I make my okra soup, I'll eat it with it. So I advise you guys to try it and see. It's very, very good. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and comment. Share it to your loved one. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.